Bottled water is expensive, heavy, and isn't actually a long-term answer. A lot of Ontario homeowners buy bottled water because they want better tasting, more reliable drinking water than what comes out of their tap. That habit adds up financially, in plastic waste, and in time spent hauling those cases home. A reverse osmosis system installed under your sink does the same job on demand for years. It pushes water through a multi-stage filtration process and a fine membrane, removing dissolved solids, chlorine byproducts, lead, and many other contaminants. Once it's installed, the water comes out better from your own tap. That's the basic value proposition. Your kitchen sink is where better water actually matters most. Most of the water in your home is for cleaning, flushing, or showering. Only a small portion of it is what your family actually drinks, cooks with, and makes coffee or tea with, or ice, and for baby formula. That's why reverse osmosis is installed at one specific point, usually the kitchen sink, instead of the whole house. It treats the water you put inside your body without the cost or complexity of treating water for laundry. Target, focused, and far less expensive than treating everything. That's why it's the standard for drinking water. Tap water is fine. It is not the same as I want to drink this. Municipal water in Ontario is treated to meet Health Canada and Ontario drinking water standards. That's true and important, but treated water still travels through aging municipal pipes and the plumbing inside your home before it reaches your glass. It can pick up taste from chlorine disinfection byproducts, hard minerals, and sometimes lead from older pipes and fittings. RO is a final step filtration at your tap that removes most of these concerns. It's not a replacement for municipal treatment. It's an extra layer of protection at the point you actually drink the water. Coffee, ice, soup, baby formula, they all start with water. Ice cubes pick up flavors from the water they're frozen from. Coffee and tea are mostly water, so the taste of the water becomes the taste of the drink. Soups, sauces, rice, and pasta absorb the water they're cooking. Baby formula becomes whatever comes out of the tap. Better water at the kitchen sink quietly improves all of those without you having to do anything different. Homeowners don't think about it until after it's installed, and then they notice it constantly. It's not loud, it's just better. If you want better drinking water without buying it by the case, RO is the practical answer. A properly sized and installed reverse osmosis system gives you the cleaner, better tasting water at the tap your family actually uses for drinking and cooking, without the cost, plastic waste, or hassle of bottled water. It's compact, runs quietly under the sink, and only needs filter changes once or twice a year. Superior Water Purification handles reverse osmosis installations across Ontario, including the faucet and drain connection. Get a quote at superiorwaterpurification.ca and stop buying water that should already be coming from your tap.